why businesses fail to protect customer data, and how Voice Ignite can save yours. Think your customer data is safe? Think again. Every year, countless businesses fall victim to data breaches. Why? Because they miss the basics of data protection. Data breaches cost businesses billions annually. From financial penalties to loss of trust, the cost of failing to protect data is staggering. These mistakes are common, but preventable. With Voice Ignite, you get proactive protection, employee training, and advanced security solutions tailored to your business. Here's how you can strengthen your defenses today. Combine these best practices with Voice Ignite's expertise to ensure your data and your business stay secure. You can pause the video to take a screenshot of what Voice Ignite recommends to ensure your data and business are secure. Stay prepared, stay secured. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your customer data now. Contact Voice Ignite today